What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Call1 Inc., helping people do their business better. And I'm coming to you from the Call1 Hell Direct Logitech Experience Room here in Cape Canaveral, Florida. And we're going to talk about the Scribe. Stay tuned. All right, so the Logitech Scribe is a really cool piece of equipment that enhances the collaboration experience in any meeting space. So there are lots and lots of meeting rooms, and you may already have a dry erase board hung up. So instead of spending unnecessary dollars on a digital whiteboard, you can utilize your existing whiteboard with the Logitech Scribe. Now, we've done a quick little demo video in the past utilizing the Scribe, and we'll include a link to that in the description box below. But what I wanted you guys to see is how this works in conjunction with the rally bar and the display and everything set up in an actual Logitech ecosystem and an experience room like this, so that you guys can see for yourselves how well this might work for your location. But you can write on here, right? And it's great if you're in this space and there's others in here and you're showing them this, but what about the people on the remote end, right? So let's start a meeting. All right, so now we've started a meeting and we can angle the camera to kind of look at this whiteboard, and that might be nice, but not really, right? So if you want to have an optimal experience for the people on the remote end, it's great to get yourself one of these Scribes and set it up. It's really super simple to set up. There's just like 3 screws. You plug that in, and there's a network cable that runs over, and you plug that sucker in, and you're ready to go. And there's also this cool little button that's there, and all I have to do now is press this little button, and then this, whatever's on this whiteboard, is going to show up on the display, and the folks on the far end will actually be able to see whatever I write up here much better than I do. All right, so one of the cool things about the Scribe is that we've set it up so that the people on the far end can't see me here standing in front of this whiteboard, right? And so I'm gonna start writing. And so even though I'm writing and I'm standing directly in front of it, the people on the far end don't see me standing in front of it. They just see what I'm writing, right? And so that is a really, really great feature of the Scribe. All right, so if you'd like to have better meetings and you want to learn more about Logitech video collaboration solutions for your space, reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be in the description box below. If you like these type of demonstrations and you want to see more of them, give us that like, subscribe, and as always, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.